Welcome back to Baking Art Theory. Today we're exploring one of the most versatile ingredients in your kitchen, all-purpose flour. Whether you're baking cookies, bread, or cakes, this flour does it all. All-purpose flour, as the name suggests, is the ultimate multitasker in baking. Made from a blend of hard and soft wheat, it has a moderate protein content of about 10 to 12%, making it suitable for a wide variety of baked goods. Because of its balanced protein content, all-purpose flour can be used in everything, from fluffy pancakes and tender cookies to hearty bread and delicate cakes. It's your go-to flour for most home baking needs. All-purpose flour is made by milling both hard and soft wheat. The wheat grains are ground and then sifted to remove the bran and germ, leaving behind the starchy endosperm. This process gives all-purpose flour its fine texture and neutral flavor. There are different types of all-purpose flour you might encounter. Enriched all-purpose flour has added nutrients like iron and B vitamins, which are often lost during the milling process. Some brands offer organic all-purpose flour, made from wheat grown without synthetic pesticides or fertilizers. Another variant is whole-grain all-purpose flour, which includes more of the wheat kernel, offering a higher fiber content and a nuttier flavor. Using all-purpose flour is straightforward, but here are a few tips to get the best results. When mixing, be mindful of gluten development. For tender cakes and cookies, mix just until combined. For bread and pizza dough, kneading helps develop the gluten for that chewy texture we love. Let's briefly compare all-purpose flour with other flour types. Cake flour has a lower protein content, making it perfect for tender cakes. Pastry flour falls between cake and all-purpose flour in terms of protein, ideal for pastries and cookies. Bread flour has the highest protein content, giving structure and chewiness to bread. All-purpose flour truly lives up to its name, making it an essential ingredient in any baker's pantry. It's one of the key baking essentials you should always have on hand. For more baking tips and tricks, be sure to explore more about the art of baking on our YouTube channel. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more delicious content. Happy baking, and see you next time.